So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, but I'm going to show you how you can use magnify option to your dock of iMac. In this case, Mac Mini 4 in Sequoia version. How you can change or use magnify option. You can see I don't have any magnification option here. So the dock is stay as it is. So in this case, you have to click your Apple logo here, or you can hit setting option, system setting directly. In system setting, you have to go to this option, is called dock, desktop and dock. Go inside to this option. The size of the dock you can change as you like. Here we go. And magnification option or magnify option here is off. Put a small magnification. You see how it is, nothing special fancy. Put the largest magnification. So this look beautiful. The largest version I like more here. So I put the large magnification option. So this is the way you can do magnification. If you want to off is small or large. Also change the dock size. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, boy.